Hello! In this video I set up and connect Canon PIXMA TR4700 multifunctional inkjet printer. I cover the following in the video, and for the detailed product review check the video in the upper right corner. First, I share model information, as this series may be called different names in different countries or regions. TR4720 is sold in US, and I use European black model in the video, as printer is also available in white version. The only difference between the regional models is in compatible inks. In the printer setup part, I install inks and paper. The orange lamp indicates an error. Let's install the inks. Next, I insert the paper. After inserting the paper, I need to confirm the correct paper size and type. Let me show how to save on paper using auto two-sided print, which is supported in this small and compact multifunctional printer. Select Menu and in Special Copy select two-sided. It is not the fastest printer, but auto duplex cannot be found in such small and low-cost inkjet multifunctionals. If you print a lot of business documents, then I recommend the Maxify GX2000 series in the upper right corner, with more speed, low cost per page and professional business features. The quality comparison shows nice copy quality and color matching for such a low-cost multifunctional device. Next, I connect to Wi-Fi. Press and hold the menu or connect button for 3 seconds and release. Then download the Canon Print App from the App Store to the mobile and follow the steps. In the Wi-Fi networks, you should now see your printer hotspot. Continue on the app. Canon Print App has found my printer. I select my Wi-Fi network called Home. Because my mobile device already knows the network password, I do not type it. Check the printer screen and confirm with OK. Few seconds later, the printer is connected to Wi-Fi and registered to Canon app. Let's do a quick test print. While printing, you can find more about Wi-Fi Direct and connectivity in the video on TR4600, which is very similar to TR4700 series, in the upper right corner. In the last part, I show a couple of useful tips using Canon PRINT App. The app can be customized. Here I remove the ink subscription, which is available in limited countries only, and I put smartphone copy first. Then I log in printer utilities and settings. Touch the printer icon and then select Utilities and Easy Authentication. Confirm on the device screen. And now I have all my printer utilities available and also all the other settings of the printer. There is a list of compatible software that is easy and practical to use. I have already shared more about software in the video in the upper right corner on TR4600 series, which has the same software compatible. And that would be all in this video. Feel free to subscribe to support my channel, as it is free and helps me to grow and create more content. Find more about TR series in the playlist link in the description. Thank you for watching and sharing. Bye.